Right guys, Yamaha X-max 300. I've had the issue with the noise coming from an engine somewhere, and I thought there is a big problem. And I looked at the videos on YouTube and stumbled on one video that shows that could be a loose bolt inside the engine, and that's exactly what's happening. If you can see that bolt, boys, girls, here, watch that video. See that loose bolt? All I need to do now is just take that off and tie that back in. Hopefully that solves the problem. Yeah, apparently Yamaha knows about this issue and doing nothing about it. Right, hopefully that video helps someone like me. If you have a ticking noise coming from the engine, remember that could be your that bolt is loosened. Right, have a good day. Yeah, continuation. That's worn out a bit now. That came off. What you need to do, remove the tensioner to get that back on the crankshaft. So, is that crankshaft? I think it is. Anyway, yeah, that's what you're gonna need to do. Look, it has been eaten now because I was driving that with that ticking noise. And I can show the bolt. Okay. If you can see, that's been chewed up as well. End of it. Same as that one. So if you hear that noise, fix it as soon as you can. Right, like I said, it's a chain tensioner. That one got to be removed because it's pulling that chain back. I'm not going to be able to put everything back again, so I need to remove that in order to get that back on. Alright, hope that helps for you guys. Right guys, again, check the threads, and they've been a bit chewed up, so you might need to clean the thread, refret them again. Luckily I have one with me, same as this one, just to make sure you're not gonna damage the thread. Yeah, just to clean it. I'm not refretting it, just cleaning it, because it could be damaged slightly. Just want to renew it, so make sure it goes in smoothly. Also, I will apply the thread lock to make sure that's not going to happen again. Alright, hope that helps, boys, girls. Also, you can see there will be some swarf in the oil now. I have to change the oil. I know the filter's there, but better to change the oil. Yeah. Right. What we're gonna do now, I'm gonna apply the thread lock. Yeah. So hopefully not gonna have this issue again. Okay. Right guys, results. Second day into our job. I managed to knock the timing, so I had to do lots of work. Anyway, let's try. Let's see. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. So all it was is a loose bolt here, and it's working nice now. Oh nice.